Okay, I made these whole wheat raisin rolls, and since the oven was warm, I thought, okay, I make some chocolate chip cookies. No, I don't do this often, but I didn't have any cookies at home, any sweets. So since the oven was at 375, I said, why would I waste it? Let's make some chocolate chip cookies. And here they are. They're Ghirardelli semi-sweet chocolate chips with cranberries, if you can see them in there. Cookies. At least tonight we do. And they last a long time. You can take it to school, or in my case, take it to just got them right out of the oven. There. 1 cup. 1 left. Okay, give it a nice little stir. I'm gonna let it sit for a while before I pour them into the liners, muffin liners. See, I think soaking them really helps, because now they're just beautiful, and when it starts baking, it doesn't take that much time to make it look juicy and plump. Here's a cup of chocolate. I make scones often. They are delicious to have with tea and coffee as a snack, and I usually add either cranberries, blueberries, or raisins. It's easy to make, and the dough is a bit sticky but very manageable. Just turn it into a big round pizza and cut it in triangles. And in 25 to 30 minutes, you have these beautiful scones to enjoy with coffee, ice cream, or tea. Yum. just a couple of croissants on the side. And this is chunks of, we have breakfast. I made one more scrambled egg croissant. So we have mini croissants with scrambled eggs, cream cheese and strawberries. And everyone, I am making a sandwich and I'm using Boursin herb and garlic cheese, and it is really good with pasta, or if you want to make like a mozzarella sandwich. Oh my gosh, this is so, I have done that before. It is absolutely delicious. I'm gonna use these two. Some onions, again, optional. You don't have to have onions. I like onions in sandwiches. Give it a try. Oh, it's not room temperature. Okay, I'm gonna mix flour and sweetheart.